Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Engineer Ahmed and today we're going to talk about the lightweight materials used in cars and buses in Qatar. So as an introduction, Qatar's transport sector is expanding due to population growth and modernization. Lightweight materials improve fuel efficiency, reduce emissions, and support sustainability goals such as the Qatar National Vision 2030. So this presentation highlights the key lightweight materials used in vehicles operating in Qatar. Now, why the lightweight materials? Well, it reduce the fuel consumption. Based on some statistics, shows that every 10% weight reduction it can provide us up to 6 to 8% fuel saving. It can also improve acceleration, braking, and handling. It can also lower carbon emissions and operational costs, as well enhance payload capacity for buses and commercial fleets. Qatar transportation overview. Well, the large vehicle population, such as the cars, taxis, school buses, muwasalat, public buses, and others, increasing adoption of green mobility, such as the hybrid and EV buses for FIFA 2022 and Doha public networks as well. Lightweight materials help reduce the heat stress and extend vehicle lifespan in Qatar's climate. The aluminium alloy. So the aluminium alloy usually can be found in the trunk lid, as you can see, roof of the car, outer hood, as well the fenders, doors, and body side panels. So the advantages of aluminium alloys, well, it's lightweight. It's 1/3 the weight of the steel. Corrosion resistance, which is mostly suitable and essential for Qatar's coastal and humid area. Strong and recyclable. And it can be found in many type of cars, and the most popular one of them are Toyota Land Cruisers, Lexus, Honda. We've got the Hyundai buses, which usually use the aluminium body structures. Now, moving to the next one, which is the high strength steel, and it can be found usually in the chassis, crush structure, and door beams, and in many other areas, as you can see in the front side member of the car, the rear side members, and the floor side reinforcement, A-frame reinforcement, roof bow, and B-pillar reinforcement, and the bumper beam, as we can see in that area, which is, the crush structure. Now, the advantages of the high-strength steel are stronger than the standard steel. It is also allows the thinner parts then can provide us a lighter vehicle, good for safety and structural integrity. So the HSS is common in Doha metro feeders, buses, and modern passenger cars. Now coming to the most favorable type of material, which we see it a lot in most of the sports car around Qatar, and that can be found also in premium luxurious cars as well. There are two or couple of benefits in the carbon fiber. Usually the premium vehicles use it for the beauty of the car, to make it more look more to give it more sporty look and attractive. Whereas for sporty car, to reduce the weight and have got so many other advantages as well. that it's cool the body and so on. So let's dig more and discuss it more further. It can be found in performance cars, body panels, seats, and as well as you can see the rear wings, the front, splitters. Also, sometimes you can find it on the fenders, and as you can see, the carbon fiber hood. Now, the advantages is very, very high strength to weight ratio, heat resistance, and definitely it's important for Qatar summer, and improve acceleration and agility of the car. So once we reduce the weight, that means we can reduce, can gain more torque, more speed, and the car can be much more faster. And as we explained earlier, that can be used in premium vehicles such as the BMW, M Series, Porsche, McLaren, and high-end buses for increasing efficiency. Now coming to the next, which is the fiberglass reinforcement plastic, which is known as the FRP. It can be used or can be found in the bus body panels, roof, luggage compartments. So the advantages is that it's lightweight and low cost. As well, it's good thermal insulation, help reduce the AC load in Qatar, and corrosion resistance as well. So it can be found in Mwasalat buses and school buses, often use FRP for on the roof and side panels as well. Now the magnesium alloys, where it can be found in many areas, but mostly known areas are the dashboard, seat frames, gearbox housing. And as you can see in here is the tailgate inner door panels, as well the steering wheel, steering hanger beam, cylinder head cover, and intake manifolds as well, transmission case, as we mentioned, the gearbox housing as well, steel frame and inner door frame. Coming to the advantages, as mentioned, that 33% lighter than the aluminum. It's suitable for the interior parts and dampens vibrations. Mostly are growingly used in Toyota, Honda, and Hyundai models operating in Qatar. Coming to the next one, which is plastics and composite, usually can be found in the bumpers, interiors, and fuel tanks, which is a fuel tank. These refers to the holder of the fuel pump, basically, which is dropped in the fuel tank. And as you can see, many brands use, like a plastic type of bumpers, front bumpers. So the advantages in here, it's lightweight and inexpensive, heat resistance, which is mostly important in Qatar, which is usually during the summer can reach up to 50 degrees Celsius. And then easy to mold for mass manufacturing. So the materials can be polypropylene or ABS or polycarbonate, such as the PC or nylon. So the lightweight materials in Qatar buses, as we can see that electric buses, Mwasalat, Karwa use lightweight aluminum frames to extend battery range. School buses use FRP panels to lower weight and reduce fuel costs. Hybrid buses rely on composite materials to offset battery mass. So here we came to the conclusions. So the lightweight materials are essential for improving efficiency, safety, and sustainability in Qatar transport sector. Aluminium, HSS, composite, and plastic are widely used in Qatar in cars and buses across the country. As Qatar expands electrification, the use of advanced lightweight materials will continue to grow. Thank you for watching and see you next time.